Hello viewer. This is another session on the web scraping. I have a couple of the session before on the web scraping to scrap the stock price. Here I have a different approach. In this approach, I am going to show you that one how you can use scrapperAPI to scrap the web pages. So as you know that one, web scraping is one of the technologies where you dump the web content locally and then you filter specific keyword or you scrap the content to extract the information what you need. I have a couple of tutorials. You can just look into the same channel and you will find a good examples there. In this session, I'm going to use scrapperAPI, that how you can use a scrapperAPI to scrap the web content. Now, the first thing is why scrapperAPI? What is the benefit if we use a scrapperAPI? So the benefit is this scrapperAPI, if I show you this small diagram, that one. Normally, when you request the content, it goes to the web server and response come to you. It is a very high level diagram. A lot of things happen in between request and response. I'm not going to in that detail. Just I'm showing that one. What is the why I'm recommending you to use this scrapperAPI. So if you use normal request, it goes like that one, and there is a possibility that you may not get the content because of the some captcha is there involved in the mid, or maybe some other reason that your content could be blocked. Now, when you use a scrapperAPI, scrapperAPI doesn't send directly your request to the web server. It goes via scrapperAPI proxy. And what scrapperAPI proxies does, in behind, it has a lot of permutation, combination, and way to access the web content, dealing with the captchas and other things, and it provide you the content. So it basically doesn't allow you to block because of the such reasons. So this is the reason that one I find it very useful that when you are doing a web scraping. So in this session, I will just go and I will explain you that how to use scrapperAPI. This API is supported on the multiple platform. You can use the curl command, Python, Node.js, PHP, Ruby, Java. So in this session, I will take a very small example to just give you a feeling that how you can use this API. So like I mentioned before, that this is an API. scrapperAPI provides the API. So when you have an API, then definitely you need an API key also in some of the cases, and here also that you need a key, that via key you can access the content. So how you can get the key? There is a trial version is available where you can start with the trial version. You can test it, you can check it, and you can feel that one how this scrapperAPI work, where they provide the 5,000 free request, and it just need that you need to register yourself. Okay, so if I go and log in, you can log in via Google account, or you can create the accounts. If I log in, I will use Google account. If I use login via Google, the moment you log in, it will show you that a dashboard where the keys are available, and it is there in front of you. So you can see that one API key is available, and it is one sample API, which is I'm going to show you that one how you can use this sample curl command to access the content, and it has a lot of documentation information also, which you can refer. If you go to the documentation part, you can see for like curl example how you can use documentation is available with some example. Python, you have good examples. Documentation is very easy to use that one. Trust me, this is the reason I'm recommending you. Please just try it once and just see that one how it works. So first I will start with the curl example. So let me just go to the system for the hands-on. Okay, so first example, I'm going to show you how you can use curl command with the scrapperAPI to access something. And what is that something? I'm going to access. You can see that this is a Yahoo page, and I'm going to to scrap and stock price of the one company, Asian Paint Limited. So how that I'm going to do that one? This is the link for the Asian Paint. If you change this stock code, you can get some different stock price. So you can even make it a variable also going forward, but actually my intention is to show you that one scrapperAPI, so I will not go into much detail about that one. But this is a link which you can use that one. So the moment you use this link, this page will show that stock price of the Asian Paint Limited. If you right click and do inspect, and if you click on this small icon and again here the click on the block, you will see that one here is the content which is coming, and this is here the price 3526.80. so my objective is to access this price actually. Okay, now this string is quite long actually, and let me go back to the page. So here actually I have opened the git bash because actually I have to use Linux like command. So let me open the notepad and I'm going to use this command curl-s. Then I have to use this link scrapper api.scrapper.com, and then API key is equal to API key. I have shown you that an API key is here. When you log in immediately, and you will see the dashboard where the API key is coming. So you have to put the API key till here, and then there is an and after and URL is equal to the link which you want to, the website which you want to scrap. So I'm using curl-s because curl run in the silent mode, it doesn't show other output of the processing and all the things. So let me just use this command. I'm not going to use full command right now. I'm using this is one portion of this command to show you that one what happened. If I execute this command, you can see that one whole content is available. Okay, I have dumped this content in the in a page, and you can see that one this is like this one, it is huge big content. Now I have to filter this content where I can get the price actually. So actually when I was looking the price, I found that one this price is available. So for example, how easily you can do that one. If I go here and if I just copy this price and search here, okay, so you can see that it is there in the line number 18 here, this price is here. So somehow I have whole content which is coming to the local machine using this command, the curl command. What we can do that one, if we grep some keyword in this line, so it will not show rest of the content, it will show only this line, and this line is very big actually. And I found that one the keyword is lead-2 finance header done. So if I just grep this one, let me copy paste and go back here. So it is the old command. I'm going to grep here. Okay, I think I'm giving some wrong command here, because if you can see that one, it is curl, and I have to give only this portion, not other things. Sorry. Let me copy paste this whole line. I'm not making any changes, just I'm simply doing same command, executing, paste. Okay, so it is showing this content here, and what I'm going to do further, I'm going to do a delimitation on the value actually. The price is here somewhere. If you see that one here, the price is there, and before that one there is a value. So I'm going to again use a command and just using this value as a delimiter to filter again and just extract only limited information. So I'm going to execute only this part. Let me take from here to here. Sorry. So I'm just doing copy paste with the another awk command filter. So it just provide more limited information. It will just trim down the content. Sometimes it takes a little bit time to extract the information based on the network capacity. So you see that now the content is further trimmed down, and I have this price here. So what I can do that for, I can use further filter. I'm going to do again using a delimiter of this double quote to access this price here in between. And for that one, the full command is, I have already put I have created a one script, cat scrapper script, and I put whole command here actually, so that now if you run this command, you should get the price now. Sorry, I'm not going to explain you too much about the awk command and all the things. This is going to increase the length of the video. So if you need to understand it a little bit, you can put me and I can make some another video, but this is not subject of this current topic. And see that when you have the price here. So the script which I made a scrapper, you can just execute like this one. Let's see, scrapper. If you execute this script, it will provide you the direct output of the stock price 3526.8. So this is all about the simple use of the scrapperAPI. I will make another video on the Python for the scrapperAPI, that how you can use Python along with the scrapperAPI to fetch the stock price. So again, you can use this API. You try it once, and I found it very useful. Like I mentioned that one, it has a free account also. I mean, you can just log in and you can just use some free content also, where I have shown you that one. The 5,000 API requests you can use as a free, but if you want to use it for the commercial purpose, there are various tariffs available, which you can just look into that one. So different tariffs are available, and you can just check this tariff. I have a link also. If you use that link, you will get some discount on this price also. The link I will provide in the video. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time. Thank you.